Hello guys, I'm going to be filming about fidgets, and that's going to be a 5-minute video, so bye. So I have this little squishy and little cappy bag. If you want to know what it is, it's at Dollarama, okay? And then I have this squishy slither. This is another squishy. It's fast rising. Look, if you want to know how it's fast rising, you just have to hold it, see if it goes fast. But this one, slow. And then, yeah. And then we have this thing, and we go like this. This down. And then this. And if you on the other side, it's like that. See it? It's coming. And then you just put it there. And bye guys, I'll see you later. Bye.